Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can fix Wechat SMS verification code not receiving. Here, if you go onto Wechat, you can see that I have already signed up and created an account on Wechat. But if you are on the process of creating your Wechat account by downloading the Wechat app from Play Store and then hitting on sign up, and after completing your given information, at the last step, it will ask you for SMS verification. And while doing so, if it's not sending you any kind of code on SMS verification, just go back and try to input your mobile phone number again correctly. After inputting your mobile phone number correctly, hit on login and or hit or send, for which you will get a notification for verification code. If you are still not receiving it, there will be an option for not received verification code, and if you click on that, it might take some time, but it will give you a SMS verification code to create an account on Wechat. And now that is how you can get your SMS verification code not receiving problem solved on your Wechat. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.